Hello everyone, I am Shrutika Katkar and today's date is 18 January 2022 and today's video topic is comparable versus comparator in Java. Java provides two interfaces to sort objects using data members of the class comparable and comparator. Using comparable interface, a comparable object is capable of comparing itself with another object. The class itself must implement the java.lang.comparable interface to compare its instance. Consider a movie class that has members like rating, name, year. Suppose we wish to sort a list of a movie based on a year of a release. We can implement the comparable interface with the movie class and we override the method compare to of a comparable interface using comparator. Unlike comparable, comparator is external to the element type we are comparing it a separate class. We create multiple separate classes that implement compare to compare by different members. Collection class has a second sort method and it take a comparator. The sort method invokes the compare to sort object. To compare movie by rating, we need to do three things. Create a class that implements comparator and thus the compare method that does the work previously done by compare to. Make an instance of the comparator class, call the overloaded sort method, giving it both the list and the instance of the class that implements comparator. Comparable is meant for object with a natural ordering, which means the object itself must know how it to be ordered. For example, roll numbers of students where comparator interface sorting is done through a separate class. Logically, comparable interface compare this a reference with the object specified and comparator in a Java compare to different class object provided. If any class implements comparable interface in a Java, then collection of that object, either list or array, can be sorted automatically by using collections. Sort or array sort method and object will be sorted based on their natural order defined by compare to method. By basic differentiating features of the using comparable, we can use only one compression. Thank you.